In today's video, I'm going to show you a way to consistently create great content using ChatGPT by helping you optimize your ChatGPT research process. Thank you for stopping by the Book Promotion and Book Marketing Tools YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel so you never miss out on future tips and tricks related to book promotion tools, book marketing tools, ChatGPT for writing books, and ChatGPT for research. Which leads us to the topic in today's video about getting the most out of your ChatGPT research process and using ChatGPT for content curation. There are a lot of really good AI tools out there today, and ChatGPT is arguably the most popular one as of the making of this video. These tools can save time for authors, business owners, entrepreneurs, online marketers, agency owners, and others by helping with important but time-consuming tasks. But if you don't have a defined ChatGPT research process already in place, there's a very good chance that you are spinning your wheels and not being as effective as you could be with this tool. What if we could help you fix that problem? We put together a free ChatGPT checklist that you can access and use. Just click on the link in the description or go to chatbotchecklists.com in order to get it. This is a checklist you can use and adopt it as your own. You can also modify it and build on it to create your own ChatGPT research process. We hope you enjoy the checklist and that you are able to put it to good use. We enjoyed creating it for you and hope that it is helpful. Once you have used the checklist, could you let us know how you like it? Please leave a comment in the comment section below this video. We will use that content to continue making improvements on the checklist. Thanks again for watching. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great one and be on the lookout for our next video.